Okay, I wanted to show a couple of seconds of my salt bath annealer setup. I have a PID controller that I built that's regulating the temperature. I have it set to about 943 degrees Fahrenheit, and I have a Lee pot that has the low temperature salts that I ordered online, and I'll include the link for that. Then I have a top plate, and the shell holder underneath is all built out of brass. And that probe that's plugged in is a high temperature K-type probe up to 1300 degrees. And so what I did was, I'll pan over here, is I tested out two sets of brass. I have the high temperature paint, 750 degrees, that I put on the tips to monitor the temperature. These I put in the pot for 7 seconds, and these I put for 8 seconds. As you can see, there's not much of a difference on the annealing time. This is 7mm Remington Magnum brass, so you'll have to experiment, but the high temperature paint is a must. I'll pan over here and show you. This is the 750 degree paint. So here, right, I did a batch of virgin Norma brass, 7mm Remington Magnum. Let's see if I can focus on this. You can see that it's perfectly annealed. This is virgin brass. I'll be annealing it every time for consistency. And you see there's 50 rounds there. And they're all, like I said, perfectly annealed. So what I do is I have a metronome on my phone, and what I'll do is I have 50 new pieces here, and I'll put it in, and I have the beats alternating, and I'll count to 8, then I'll pull it, and I'll throw it in this bucket of water. Now the only reason I have the bucket of water there is to help dissolve the salts that are in the brass from pulling it out of the annealer. The water doesn't do anything else except help dissolve that. And then what I'll do is I'll take these freshly annealed cases and I'll sonic clean it for several cycles. And then from there I'll go through my reloading process and take it from there.